the highest scoring contingent in the criterion of visual. The highest scoring contingent in the criterion of visual.
Alright, so once again, maayong adlaw kayo sa tanan mga higala o mga Wenyo tourists, international and national or domestic tourists. I would like to inform everybody that we'll be starting the program in 5 minutes time. So while ginagana po natin ang program, it is very, very important that we do not obstruct any of the entrances and exit ways of our contingents because thank you so much for your continued support and cooperation.
City, my Buntag, Mindanao, Mandaluyong sa tanan. May we request everyone to please rise.
Inuntawin na, once again, ladies and gentlemen, maayong buntag, City of Davao! Happy 29th Mindanao Festival! Kaway, kaway! Kaway, kaway naman dyan, guys! And I'm sure all of us right now are so ready and prepared to witness this grand celebration of the year, guys. Tama?
That's right. And by the way, we are being watched all over because we are live. We are coming to you live through our FB page, Kadayawan sa Davao FB page, and of course, this is taken by our Luward studio.
No? What's the deal?
So sa mga audiences, always smile kapag photogenic kayo kasi ma-discover.
That's right. Join us this morning as we immerse ourselves sa rhythm, the sound, sa ato ang mga tribal dances, and also unya tautod ang makita nato ang vibrancy sa ato ang mga floats. 33 kabok floats sa Pamulak sa Davao. And we have 15 contingents para sa indak-indak sa Kadayawan. And speaking of Pamulak, tell us more about Pamulak, Reynan.
Let me do the honors, Sir Alex. So ang pamulak sa Kadayawan, isagip ni sa mga ginaatangan sa matag Davaoenyo na aktibidad para sa Kadayawan. Kaya naman, this is where we get to show the bountiful harvest there is in Davao City. So Davao City is home ang atong King of the Fruits, Dorian. So naana nato, dili nato na makitaan sa atong mga maanyag na mga fruits karon.
That's what Kadayawan is all about.
Yes.
We're celebrating the bountiful harvest every year, and that happens every August.
Every August. And speaking of that bountiful harvest and Thanksgiving, aside from it, we are celebrating and of course executing some performances and body movements.
National High School. Ready na ba sila? Again, competition number 1 from Dr. National High School. We have the Batang Bago Galera Performing Arts Guild. Your time starts now. Sumala sa kagustuhan sa mga pinikanan, subay sa tradisyon at kultura, makinig ang buya!
URC is one with every Filipino who celebrates life, bountiful harvest, the gifts of nature, and the serenity of living. Through this, we bring various URC products closer to Filipino homes, allowing them to feel the joy of snacking anytime and anywhere.
Wow! Again, it's a universal Rapidic Confirmation. That is that we're a non-competing.
Yes. Ayan. So as they are making their way towards our stage, makita yun nato ang vibrant colors.
Our next non-competing going float, we have the Jollibee. Share the joy, Kadayawan. Going naman dyan. From Jollibee.
Ayan. Parang ang dito lang.
Inspired. Jollibee na nagkaroon ako. Kaya smiling faces, no? Ayan, inspired by Davos, Bible Closer, the float features study tours, attractions, including Mount Apple, the Golden Eagle, and the busy bountiful harvest of fruits. Festival. Again, guys, it's Jollibee. Share the joy. Somebody yung
Ano, chicken joy.
spicy chicken. My favorite. Ever favorite. Wala daw mga mascots ni Jollibee. Jollibee, sabay-sabay naman dyan. Truly, Villa, ang saya.
Ayan, wow!
Hello guys. Kamusta naman kayo din? And ito na, papapating na This Morning Incorporated. This Morning Incorporated will showcase the name of the company's quality products as the procession continues. Music vary from historical reenactments depicted with panels to futuristic landscapes adorned with exotic blooms. Our own flow tells a story, a narrative brought to life through the language of flowers. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, This Morning Incorporated.
Ayan, mukhang meron tayong beauty.
Third and third.
Yes, that's right. Ayan. And now, we go back. Alright. Now we go back to our Indonesian ngayon.
Excited na tayo makitan ang ating next entry from, of course, still from the Davao City School Banks category.
Wow, so this is a very esteemed institution here in Davao City. And they are from Davao City National High School.
I am going naman mga supporters dyan from Davao City National High School.
Ayan. Wala natin pinagalan ito karon.
Yes, of course, I know we are officially live right now at the Area One Festival official Facebook page. And don't forget to comment your favorite entry. And don't forget to use your hashtag. Just like Area One Festival. Correct, sana. Of course, guys, ito pa. May mga ano pa tayo, surprises. Aside from February, swerte mo bibigyan ng 30,000 sa ating grand winner for ito. Meron din tayong 30,000 pesos. School base, or is it going to be somebody else? By the way, for the information of those viewers no nato, there are two ways na i-judge ang ato ang mga contestants. Karon, they're just doing the street dance and they will be performing only 2 minutes kani sa stage. Actually, showdown. And tonight, today, this morning,
40% pa lang ang ilahang parts, ilahang overall nila na presenting Davao's rich culture and beauty. It showcases the bountiful harvest celebrated in the Kalayawan Festival. This vibrant display highlights Mr. DIY's wide range of home and life improvement items, making it go-to-store for every family. Where we have it, Mr. DIY. And looks familiar. This wonderful couple.
Hi, Francesca.
Mr. and Mrs. Kramer, welcome to Davao.
Welcome back to Davao City.
Thank you for gracing the Kalayawan.
All right, and now, after that DIY always low price, on the farm, pawn shop operator from Palawan Pawn Shop Express, Pera Padala and Palawan Pay. Kaway naman dyan, guys. Here we go. Ito yung naman ang float nila, oh. Fruits to veggies, and of course, meron din kasama. Ano ba? Chicken ba ito? Bird nata yun eh.
It's a bird. It's a chicken.
It's a bird, it's a plane.
No, one thing for sure, their float is filled with flowers and fruits.
Hello guys, maayong buntag and happy gabi.
Fruits, vegetables, o mga flowers. And vegetables. And right now, we welcome the Maganhay stands of Puso Philippines Corporation. This is the Maganhay stands as a testament to the spirit of Thanksgiving, capturing the essence of float, evoking sense of wonder and appreciation for the world around us. That's Puso Philippines Corporation.
Hello guys, once again, Tuso Philippines Corporation. Kaway naman dyan. Happy 39 Kalayawan Festival everyone. At talaga namang even though this is not the breeding category, so guys, talagang pinaganda talaga yan to represent that in your company and agency.
Floats, and then we have around 12
for the category. And aside from that though, I saw from our live audiences, we have our city councilors and of course our deputy mayors. So dito calling out, nais po namin kayo officially. Mamaya po yun.
Mamaya po. I can see Councilor Ortiz, Councilor Braga. Magandang umaga po. Thank you very much for joining us this morning. And of course, the consul from Japan. Arigatou gozaimasu. Korea. Oh. Anyways, yes.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, I think we are all ready to welcome our third entry for the Davao City School Days. Candy Goldie. I don't know what I'm saying. Here we go.
Consulate General of China. There we go. Apologies. Okay.
Okay, so now let's see about players and style to the ring. The performance will be 2 minutes 4 days of morning, and this consists of 40%, it will be just 40% for this from our media.
They only have a minute to prepare. If the office is known, when we say the timer starts now, we are just giving them 60 seconds to prepare. And then after that, they will have 2 minutes to perform their show. That's it. And then
Mini lang kami, mini. Nagkaroon ako sa Kasya.
mga kaibigan sa Converge. Sabi nga dito,
The floral float design is a tribute to the rich cultural heritage of the 11 tribes of Davao, each of which plays a celebrates the diverse cultural, historical, and natural wealth of the region. And the float beautifully reflects this diversity. Incorporating elements from each of the 11 tribes, the design honors their unique traditions, art, and colors. This integration not only showcases the cultural richness of Davao, but also highlights unity among the tribes. And in this celebration,
thank you very much for joining us in Verge ICT. Tuloy-tuloy po ang ating float parade. Next online, we have the Art Pharmaceutical Laboratory Incorporated. And for almost 30 years, RDL has dedicated itself to manufacturing top-notch, severe and groundbreaking skincare and beauty items for both local and international markets. The float showcases the finest of Davao from the renowned Korean book to the exquisite one-on-one import kit, as you can see. Not to mention the beautiful lady on top of the float. Hi, Sharon. Very proud of. And another float that we are proud of is also another Goa Davao.
Yes.
This is my favorite. Kung gamay pa ko, mao yun yung ako kay ng Korean candy.
This is Lola Alon's Durian Candy Factory going live!
Sakon! Ayaw na ng fresh. Kaya delikado.
Sinahan nila ni ate.
Right. So, we are down to have our number 4 contingent sa ating indak-indak sa Kalayawan Davao City School base. We are down with 3. As mentioned kanina, we have 12 of them competing for the Davao City School base. 3 of them already passed, and now we are on to number 4.
Yes, that's right. And napapatuloy na naman ng mga contingents ang atong mga Davaoenos. So, as what I've mentioned sa atong mga Davaoenos, na napakaroon sa ibang bagay, ang ginamagay sa San Carlos Fair upang itindak-indak na pagpala.
That's right. Naghanta kay mga ting ituranan din no? And maayo kay atong panahon. Thank God for the weather. It's actually, this is something new na ginagawa nato sa mga Kanayawan. No? We have a big tent already, making sure that everybody's comfortable here and the San is good. This is one of the innovations that we did for 2024.
Yes, I agree. And all Kalayawan programs definitely a tribute to the 11 beautiful tribes of Davao City. And this morning we are joined by our deputy mayors from our 11 tribes. Maayong bumutang po.
good luck sa mga sasali.
Sayaw, no?
Kapila na pa mga experience natin na sobrang dami talagang tao, daming bisita. Today, this morning, Front Row has sa
Mulang kindak-kindak sa Karayawan. Now we move on to our next float. Our next float is from Bingo Plus.
Bingo Plus!
And the title of this float is The Harvest.
Harvest!
Hello po, kawan-kawan! Rich culture. It showcases the Karayawan theme, highlighting the harvest, indigenous diversity, and festive spirit. Dahil sa Bingo Plus, Bingo Sayaw.
Dagan kayong salamat! Committee from 12 noon to 3 p.m. Share mo guys yung mamaya.
Yes, so bring your phones and take many pictures, and of course, don't forget to use our official hashtag. Sayan,
Lyceum Bloom celebrating excellence in full color. Kaway-kaway naman dyan guys from LPU.
wow! Mukhang kaway na tayong mga basketball players from their school, and we also have a very beautiful muse. Ayan, kaway-kaway
Kaway-kaway
naman
naman
tayo.
dyan. Lyceum Bloom celebrating excellence in full color. Features fresh flowers and fruits from Davao City showcasing. Ay naman guys, sa mga, especially sa mga nag-idog na init kayo. Keep hydrated guys. Keep
Yes.
hydrated.
That's true.
Pagandang sa inyong mga water, di ba? Mga dilit na malipong. Ang Lord Harvest Float, Alpha Cebu Pacific.
Ayan. So this float with has an overall concept of long harvest is a tribute to the indomitable spirit of the Davao people. The float combines the artistic beauty of traditional leaf patterns with the natural elements of local fruits, symbolizing both cultural pride and agricultural prosperity. Natural wealth of Davao region. Mula ka nagkakaila na Joyo, no?
Yes, taas ko kaya kay Universe Philippines.
Yes!
And hello. And again, ang aking mga naging flight at our next entry from our Davao Subays category.
Yes, that's right. But tomorrow, our next activity is still preparing. Of course, once again, we would like to thank our
And as I mentioned a while ago, again, thank you so much, of course, to our wonderful uniform, and of course, to Sir Each Pag-isay, from Public Safety and Security Office, dagan kaayong sa
Yes, and to Sir Janisha Agulin of CPMO. Once again, daguhan tayo salamat sa inyo for keeping this beautiful celebration safe and secure for every Davaoenos and our tourists alike. Alright, and of course,
two thumbs up, of course, to our city mayor, and of course,
Yes.
Senator Umaga mo.
maayong buntag! Makita!
And of course, sa lahat ng mga department heads, welcome po at maayong buntag dito sa Davao City.
Alright, grabe yung to, dinigit sa Davao, makita nato and sa atong mga katauhan.
Exactly, and of course, the efforts of course, the officials of our local government unit, daghan kaayong to Davao City. And of course guys, nagkumplan ako kanina, no? Nagkakain nagpapagawa.
Waon sa ilang skate performance.
Which is karon na siya.
Karong punta ka. Float.
Ayan, so para guys, kaupan na natin ang puntaga. Of course, from the Consulate General of Malaysia in Davao City. Kaway naman siya nga, sir. And welcome to Davao. Happy 39th Kinawan Festival. Malaysia Float showcases the rich cultural tapestry influenced by its diverse population. The iconic Kuala Lumpur City Century or KLCC is a symbol of architectural excellence and features the traditional Wau Bulan.
The Uptown Float at Kaliwan Festival symbolizes our commitment to Davao's vibrant culture. And on the east side, we aim to nurture local talent and build a bright future, reaching new heights together. Join us in celebrating a healthier, happier community as we embrace the spirit of Kadayawan. Uptown, hey!
Kaway naman siya. Hey! Here we go. And mamulang sa Kanayawan. Entry from the corporate category, we have Wiltec Group of Companies, Suzuki Wiltec Bushman. Kaway naman dyan. Ayun, ang laki naman ng ano nila. Max.
NMAX ba yan? Birdman!
Ayun,
Ano ba Birdman?
Oo, ayan. Siyempre, makasama din tayo sa float. Kaway naman dyan, guys. Alam natin na mainit na nag-enjoy tayo. Isa namang smile at kaway dyan.
Isang malakas na air!
Hey!
May video ako ba?
Great time today, Sir Alex. Alright. Still from Davao City School Days category. 40 na bilang sa kaliwan 2024.
Sa well, Davao City School Days participants, no? Tayo ang premyo.
1 million.
1.1
Ito open category.
open category. Don't please, ano to? Sir.
Yes. Former Senator of the Honors. Wow! Ano ba si Sir Ted Hello?
Yes, sir. Homegrown Filipino meals are best prepared with 100% Filipino-owned company, Gasco LPG. Basta ang Gasco, sigurado. Batang-bata si Sir Lito. Andrew K. Gonzaga. Yes, para na tayo kay Dad, sir. Batang-bata din tayo si Sir Lito. Sana all.
Alright, now we are still here in San Pedro Square. So para sa atong mga higala na nakakahasa ilang mga balay, guys, ato na mga San Pedro Square, kay daghan tayo activities and contents are waiting for you right here sa San Pedro Square.
Sa'yo kayo tayo, alas 10 pa lang, alas 20 pa lang, naghanda kayo mga tanong sa San Pedro Square. So, if I were you, come on down to San Pedro Square and enjoy the Kagayawang Festival dito sa San Pedro Square.
Yes, I agree. And of course, dapat po na
Missions protect and conserve as guardians of the moving Bible from today, GBI International Incorporated. The Caravel and the Former. Of course, nagkaroon sa itong kamay category, our entry number 2.
The Carabao and the former from UPLB.
Festival. We hope our nation is going to be a